What's going on, folks? I got a treat for you guys today. So it's going to be unboxing video. And as you can see, it's a Century Arms. So, and if you guys know about Century Arms, they're one of the largest distributors for when it comes to block firearms. So, and this one is no different. So let's see what we got in here. So here's the Optic Century Arms PO 4x24. And you guys probably guessed it right. It is PSL-54. Look at this beauty. I'm kind of late in the game when it comes to PSLs. I remember back in days, they could be bought anywhere for less than $1,000, right? So, but those days are long gone now. So, I kind of wish I had bought it earlier, several years ago. But I never thought about it back then. But now, like I said, kind of came in a little late in the game. But at least they're still available. So, kudos to Century Arms that they're still bringing them in here to the United States from Romania. So these are made in Romania at Cugir factory plant. So PSL-54. These rifles been around for several decades now. I think they were designed back in 1970, probably like the late 60s or whatnot. And ever since then, it's been widely used by many military organizations around the globe, and still in use by Romanian military as well. So, and it comes with one magazine, so it's steel mag. And too bad it only comes with one, because these aren't necessarily cheap to actually get. So if you want to get them, I think these days they're running around $80 or something. So it's funny how actually PSL magazine costs more than my HKMR 762A1 or SCAR 20 magazine. So, but it is what it is. These are the times that we live in now. So let's get it out. Man, actually, it's crazy how I think these, whenever they actually manufacture them, right before they box them, I think they just dip them in the oil or something. Because it's all greasy right now, as if they just dipped it in the oil. But anyway, let's put it out here. There you go. Look at that wood. This it's a gorgeous looking actually rifle. The chamber is empty, as you can see. There's the chamber flag. And the wood over here as well. And these things are chambered in 7.62 by 54R. It's a Russian caliber, basically, that's been in production since 19th century, believe it or not. So it's the longest serving caliber, as far as I know. And it's still in service to this date. So this is not Dragunov by any means. I know that much, and it actually, matter of fact, has nothing that resembles with Dragunov. Aside from its somewhat Dragunov-like looks, it has nothing to do, or it has nothing in common with Dragunov. If anything, this is basically scaled up AK. And Wasser 10, which is a AK-47 or AKM version of firearm that's also produced actually at the same factory, at the same plant, Cugir. So this you could kind of think of it as a scaled up Wasser 10 basically. And fit and finish is somewhat similar to Wasser, so it's not like smooth or shiny as, let's say, something like Zastava M91, although they are in the same category basically. Both are actually DMR, designated marksman rifles. And Zastava M91 is actually used by Serbian military, whereas this PSL-54 is actually used by Romanian military. So, yeah, Zastava is kind of more, has a more smooth, fine finish, whereas PSL is a little on the rougher side, um, and the barrel is actually a little thinner too compared to Zastava. But then again, it's been in production a lot longer than actually Zastava, so uh, that's that. It's been involved in many military conflicts than actually Zastava, so this has been in production a lot longer and has a longer history. But anyway, so that's rifle, and here's the magazine. Like I said, and let's open up the optics. And Optic is NPZ. It's a Russian optic. It's even written in Russia. So expert изделие made PO 4x24. Заводской number, so it's a manufacturing number, and data means date, 12/19, so December 2019, I'm assuming. Let's open it up. So I just unboxed the Optic. So this is what it came with. So this is a pouch to cover to put your Optic in, and this is the Optic itself. It's got it's engraved in Russian, but also has American English actually switched letters in here to tell you what's what. So it does have illuminated reticle. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show it to you guys via camera, but I'll try. So there you go. Let's see if we can put it right here. I don't know if you guys can see the reticle. It's a little hard to get a focus on the camera, but as you can see, lenses are actually relatively clear, and I think they're a little better than what I received with my Zastava actually. The one that came with my Zastava M91, it was Belarus made POSP, similar actually looking scope, same power, was 4x24. However, I believe lens on this one are a little better, a little more clear, crisper than the one that was on Zastava. This is a Russian made, whereas the one that comes with Zastava is actually a Belarus made. So anyway, this is the rubber piece that goes in here, and this is some sort of a wrench. I don't know what's this used for. I believe that's probably for adjustment or whatnot. And this is it. So this is Optic that came with it, and that's the rifle itself. So now I'm gonna put the Optic on a rifle and show it to you guys how it looks when it's all put together. And there you have it, guys. I just put the Optic on, and I also put the magazine in. It's empty, no round in it. So, and plus it's unsafe, so no worries there. But this is the final product. Basically, this is how it look like when you have everything put together. And yeah, I mean, just wanted to do this quick video, show you guys unboxing process of this PSL-54. This is how it comes in. From what I was told, the quality has also improved. So I never owned one before to actually give you guys my opinion if really it has anything changed or not with these PSLs. But from my initial inspection and impression, it does look pretty good actually. I mean, the rivets are in perfectly placed. Nothing's out of place. Sights are not canted. Everything's straight, looking good to me. Optic is definitely, like I already mentioned, does already look better than what my Zastava actually came with. And yeah, I mean, wood is in perfect condition, furniture, so magazine is perfectly fitting. I mean, no issues there. And it does actually have last round bolt hole open, so that's a cool feature. And otherwise, yeah, this is it. This is how it looks. I'll definitely like to take it out the range and make some videos. And if you guys like this video and if you guys want to follow my channel, please consider subscribing and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.